Okay, so let's continue on with the Contact Us panel in this one-page website using a Builderall cheetah builder. Let's go back to here to finish site. Let's see what size this contact form is. Let's see. Button height, button margin. Let's see what's under general. Okay, doesn't look like there's a property to adjust the size of it. What I'm referring to is this whole contact form, you know, the height and then the width. So let's just go to our site. Let's see, and we'll adjust it. And then we're going to center it. Okay, you can see on this site we just have a email, subject, and your message field. So let's go over here. We're going to set the fields. Click on the Fields tab, and the first one, again, let's see what this is your email. So it's a text field. This is the label, and then an email. Okay. Let's edit this. And the label is going to be your email. Let's see, let's go back here. Okay, let's go over here. Then the next one is subject. Subject, it's a text field. Okay, and then the last field, it's a type of text area. Your message, your message. Tag, let's see. Doesn't seem like you could change the type of field it is without deleting it. Just a minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete that, add a field. It's a text area. Okay, let's see what that message says. Okay, the reason why I was getting that error message is because in order to fill out this field, you need to at least have an email receiver Now I just put in a bogus email address, or you need to put in an action. So whenever they click this button, it needs to go somewhere. So that was just that. Now I'm not going to go into all the details of this contact form element. There's many different fields. Again, like you should be filling in all this area here when you submit it, and the fields, of course, and then the action. So I'm just basically setting up an element here so you could see what's possible for this particular Contact Us panel. So I just want to let you know that. But anyways, we got this done. Again, it's not fully done because I have to really configure it for this to be made. So in other words, when you click this button, it sends an email to whoever you put as the receiver. It fills in the subject line and so forth. So let's go on to the next area of this Contact Us panel, and that is let's fill in the this down here. So let's get a box. Let's see what size it is. And it's 208 by 124. And of course it's transparent. 208 by 124. Okay, let's go ahead and quickly save this. Okay, we need to put now an image element over here. Okay, now the image on here is going to be an arrow, right arrow. So right here, we're going to click that, click Edit, General Settings, change image, and let's see. Looks like I have to upload it. Let's see. Give me a second while I locate this one right here. And I'm going to upload the other ones too. Let's go back here and let's find that right arrow. Okay. See, I'm looking for the size of this. .38 is the size. Okay, let's make this box transparent. Just be patient with me. I know there's a lot of silence here, but I just want to make sure everything's right. Let's see, background settings, transparency. Okay. Let's save this. Our next element that we're going to add is this text element. I'm going to copy this information. Neutral paragraph. This is the font name, 17 and 1.4. And it looks like text should be this, a bright silver. Okay, we're going to continue this on with the next video, so I'll see you then.